Welcome back to Seesaw Snippets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Screencast-O-Matic videos to Seesaw activities. Let's get started. Once you have created your screen recording in Screencast-O-Matic, you are ready to get it into Seesaw. There are two different ways that you can get it there. The first way is by sharing a link. If you click on the link icon, it will give you a direct link to this video. So this link would just be like any other link that you would put in from Safe YouTube or any other website. When students click on that link, it's going to take them out of Seesaw to watch this video, or just like other videos and links. So that is one way. The other way, if you click back here on the pencil for the video details, you can download the video as an MP4. Okay, so I'm going to download that video. And that's going to, you can see down here in the bottom left-hand corner, it is downloaded. Okay, so it's going to download it to my computer. Then I'm going to come over to my Seesaw activity, and I'm going to upload this video directly onto this page. So I'm going to click on the camera, and then I'm going to click on Upload. That's going to bring up my files on my computer. Here's my video. You might want to check Downloads folder. All right. But here's my video. I'm going to double click that, and you can see it brought this video directly onto the page. And I can resize this and move it around wherever I need it to go. All right. The great thing about uploading the video this way instead of the link is when the students push play, it plays right inside the Seesaw activity. So it doesn't take them out of the Seesaw app like other links and videos do. It plays directly inside. So the student can watch the video, they can complete the activity. If they need additional help as they're completing the activity, they can go right back and watch that video again. All right, so you can move this around, you can lock it in. You could even add a page, and I'm going to upload that again. Click on the camera, upload. And you can see here, this is the first page of the activity. There's the video. I can lock that in there. And then the students can just push play, and they can watch the video on the first page and then move on to the other pages to complete the activity. All right. All right. Hopefully you find this helpful with having the video directly right inside of Seesaw.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our TI Squared YouTube channel and check out the Seesaw Snippets playlist and the Tech Talks playlist at tinyurl.com/TI2 Video Hub. Also, check out our pre-K to second grade website to find additional technology resources at tinyurl.com/technologyresources2020.